Welcome to Ziro Studio tutorial. In this video, we will cover the topic of lists. Python comes with various ways of storing multiple things in the same container. So lists are an example of such a container where you can store things in a specific order and use them. Here's an example of a list, which we call T. It has 8 values, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, and so on. So in this example, we will use a slightly modified version of our draw and turn function that takes the speed and the time as parameters. It draws a line while moving at the speed of size for the given time and then turns 90 degrees. We call it 8 times, with each function call containing an item of the list T in the order of first to last. The way you use the items in the list is by using indices, with 0 being the first, 1 being the second, and so on. So this indexing system is common in most languages. As you can see, the times in the list are increasing. So what it does is it keeps increasing the size of the sides that it draws with each function call to draw a straight line spiral. So let's give it a shot. It's going a small distance, a longer distance, and then a longer distance, and so on. It keeps on doing this until it gets a spiral shape. So that's how you use lists. Here's an exercise for you. Use a list to draw a circular spiral. Here's a hint. To move the robot in a circular shape, you can move the robot forward while turning at the same time. Another fun exercise you can try is to make the 2D robot draw a straight spiral with each line having a different color using a second list that contains colors. Hope you have fun with these exercises. In the next video, we will cover the concept of loops.